Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a set of mini resin nikkah frame with keychains. A perfect gift for a wedding. Things that you need. Let's start. I already mixed the resin and added color. Okay, now let's pour the resin into the mold. I added the glitter resin in both corners. Spread it very well with the help of mixing stick. Now let's pour the color resin in the middle part. Spread it very well and make sure there's no empty space. Here I used lemon mica powder. Used a heat gun flame gun to reduce the bubbles. Now working on keychains. I pour the glitter resin in the upper part of the keychain mold, and then pour the color resin in the remaining part of the mold. Repeat the same process for the second keychain. Here's our first step done. Here I am making some pattern with the help of mixing stick. Again, use a heat gun to create the proper pattern. Let it dry for a day. The next day, here I am pasting the transparent stickers. You can use your customized sticker according to your need. There are lots of Instagram or Facebook pages who provide these stickers. Okay, now let's pour the final layer of clear resin. The final layer contains both resin and hardener. Repeat the same process for keychains. I also added half-cut bead to enhance its beauty. Pour the final layer. Use a heat gun to remove the bubbles. And again, let it dry for a day. The second day. The most exciting part is here. Yes, it's demolding time. Look at the shine. Demolding our keychains too. I forget to record the part in which I added keychain rings. Final look. Look at the final look. If you want to place your order, DM me on Instagram at @creationbeebj. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.